Where are the hitch pins? Oh! Nailed it. Why are you still taping?
I don't know.
All right, let's do this. Hey guys, Patrick from Iron Rock Off-Road here. Super excited to show you guys the next level of off-road equipment. Receiver hitch skid plate. It's gonna do it. We want a little bit taller rock. Installs into any 2-inch receiver. It's got these awesome teeth on top, so it gives you extra grip when you want to use it as a step, and also so it'll cut your shin wide open when you climb on down. Now these are super awesome, super important for protecting your rear end on the departure angle when you're coming off obstacles or backing into them. And for you Wrangler guys who run a spare tire off the back because you think you're better than everyone else, it protects that too. All right, now installation, a little tricky, but we can walk you through it here. So we're gonna head out to the parking lot here and see if we can't find ourselves a couple of receiver hitches, install this bad Larry on. All right, let's go. Found one of these Wranglers here. Got the spare tire hanging off the back. Plug out of the way. You'll see we got 2 pinholes. Just stick your pin in. Slide her on in. See what I'm talking about? Coming off that obstacle, departing it, if you will. You can hit the skid plate before you rip that spare tire off. It's good stuff. Oh, found a Toyota. See? Works for those guys too.
You make Toyota parts now?
I guess. Now, it doesn't have to be a Jeep. We got a Chevy Colorado right here. We're going to slap it on here. Now, as I mentioned, we got 2 holes in here for different depth settings. We can go about there or about there. Too easy. This wind is messing with my hair. Also mentioned, we got these no-slip teeth up top. You can step on it without dying. But watch your shin. It'll cut you. Found a hitch.
Hey, what are you guys doing?
Oh, let's go. Let's go. Got a local customer, Brent, here. Just slapped that bad Larry in his receiver. We're going to test it on some rocks. It's going to do it. We want a little bit taller rock.
Yeah.
Dang it. Look at it. It's going to do it. Going to hit it. Ah, I did it. See? What did I tell you? Protects that departure angle. This tire's fine. The only thing that hit was exactly what we wanted. That's a skid plate. All good, Brent. First try. Yeah, why not? One more. Hey-o. Sick. Thanks. Skid marks for your skid plate. All right, you've seen it. It works. Go to ironrockoffroad.com. Buy it with your money. Make sure you like, share, comment, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Do you really want to do a hitch skid video?
A little deeper. A little deeper.
There we go. Or
A little deeper.
too easy.